Hey guys, Chase with Sherpa Equipment Company. Today we're going to be doing an install of a X6S 44-inch light bar and our light bar brackets on this Oxford roof rack. So in your package you're going to have two light bar brackets and your hardware to mounting them to the rack. So in your hardware package you're going to have your M8 bolts. These will go directly into your light bar. They will replace the hardware that comes with the light bar. You'll have the washers for that. You'll have 4 Tnuts. And then you'll have your 1/4-inch hex head bolts, which will bolt your brackets to the crossbar. One quick note, there are different light bar brackets that we sell for Baja Design, for different extreme light bars, but it's all going to be the same process. And another thing is, if you want the light bar to sit flush with the roof rack, you're going to need to have a half fairing on your rack. We're going to go ahead and get our light bar brackets up onto the rack. So to do this, you're going to need your 4 Tnuts, your 1/4-inch hex bolts, and your washers. So what you're going to do next is you're going to go ahead and take your Tnuts and drop them into the slot on your crossbar. You don't have to be perfectly lined up right off the bat, but you're also going to want to grab your light bar bracket and make sure the angle is facing down. You're going to have your 1/4-inch hex head. Go ahead and thread them loosely into your Tnuts behind. And you want to leave them loose, that way you can slide and find your other threaded portion of your next Tnut. And now we're going to go to the next side and do the same thing. Now we'll take the light bar out and get it all ready to go. Now that we have the light bar brackets up on the truck, we can go ahead and mount our light bar onto it. Okay, once you get your light bar mounted onto the brackets, you can go ahead and center it up on your roof rack, and then you can tighten everything down. And now the light bar's up on the truck, we're going to go ahead and start wiring it up. The connector should be somewhere up behind the fairing. You can use a zip tie or any other sort of thing to tuck it up, get it tucked up against the crossbar, get it tucked up to your side plate, anything to keep it out of the way. And then what we like to do is run our wiring harness down against the A-pillar. On this truck it tucks really easily and nice out of view. And then from there you'll run into your engine bay and wire it to whatever you have in there to wire to. There are a couple products that we like to use. We can use double-sided tape to get it to stay up in there. That works fine. KC Highlights also makes a nice product called the wire hider. Great reviews on that as well. Other than that, if you have any issues with the installation, please feel free, reach out to us, give us a call, shoot us an email, we'll help you out. Otherwise, if you have wiring issues, it's best to reach out to the light manufacturer, whoever that might be, and they should be able to take care of you.